Howdy there, folks. DCollector6819 coming at you with another break of, this is, I believe, the third one I've broken of the Premium Gold Yu-Gi-Oh! So, if you haven't seen my other breaks of this stuff, you should go check them out, see what I got. Got a couple really good, got some really good stuff, so I should go check them out. So, let's see what they got in store for us today. I apologize now if I mispronounce any of these guys' names. We got the Eclipse Wyvern Dragon, it looks like. Dragon Echo Mother Soul Dragon. Have an interesting card. We got Power Tool Mecha Dragon, Summoner Monk, and a Stardust Dragon. Ooh, I like this one. Okay, we got Solar Recharge. Gimmick Puppet Dreadery Dial. Number C40 Gimmick Puppet of Dark Strings. Soldier Revealing Light, and Blackluster Soldier Envoy of the Beginning. Okay, Dark Magician Girl, Kurenai City Babylon. We have number C15 Gimmick Puppet Giant Hunter, Gravekeeper's Spy, and Callius the Shadow Monarch. So there you have it, folks. Got a few really cool ones here. Got Blackluster Soldier, Soldier Revealing Light. We got the Stardust Dragon, a couple of number cards, and the Dark Magician Girl. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.